just really like dry humping much more. Man, I can't wait for State Fair.
I know! Log ride! Yes! Oh, shit.
What?
My real dad, he resurfaced in Yellowstone and he asked me to be there in the summer before I start SIC.
Oh. Okay. You know, I'm not going anywhere to college and it seems to be a good opportunity. Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna miss the fuck out of you.
Well, I probably won't get in, so I just go to Davis and then I'll see you every day. Yeah. Are you okay?
Fine.
What happened?
Nothing, really. Nothing.
Why are you crying?
Just crying.
We just ate all the cheese.
It's okay, lots of cheese vary in size.
Mm-hmm.
I was probably a small one.
It was so small. It was so small.
It was tiny, and I will be after you.